for today, I'm going to share with you another Starbucks recipe, our version of iced coffee jelly from Starbucks. And here's what you need for our iced coffee jelly recipe. Of course, we need coffee jelly diced into small cubes. We also need a shot of espresso. We also need 2 pumps of vanilla syrup. I'm using the Starbucks vanilla flavored syrup. We also need a cup of fresh milk. You can use full cream milk, but for this recipe, I'm just using our Nestle fortified milk. And of course, we need a whipped cream. Since our coffee jelly is an iced version, we don't need a blender for this, so we just need a glass of ice cubes. So now let me show you how to make our version of the iced coffee jelly recipe from Starbucks. So first, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of coffee jelly into a glass. By the way, we're using a tall glass again from Starbucks. Of course, you can add more if you want to. Next, we're gonna add our ice cubes. You can actually add more ice cubes if you want. Now, let's add our vanilla syrup. After adding our vanilla syrup, we can now add our espresso. So now let's froth our milk. Let's add our milk. Now we're gonna add our whipped cream on top, but it's still optional if you still want to add whipped cream because you already have the milk foam. But let's add just a little bit of whipped cream. There you have it, our Starbucks iced coffee jelly.